Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a life-changing question. What if I told you that the secret to keeping your arteries young, flexible, and unclogged isn't found in expensive pills or painful treatments, but in something as simple, natural, and refreshing as the drinks you choose every single day? Imagine sipping your way to a stronger heart, sharper mind, and longer life. Wouldn't you want to know what those powerful drinks are? Today, I will reveal the science, the wisdom, and the natural truth behind the beverages that can literally flush away years of silent damage inside your arteries. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear may not just add years to your life, but life to your years. Think about it. Every heartbeat is a gift, pumping life through highways of veins and arteries, nourishing your organs, fueling your muscles, feeding your brain. Yet as time passes, those highways, once clear and smooth, begin to fill with debris. Cholesterol builds up, toxins stick to vessel walls, calcium hardens, and the flexibility that once allowed your blood to flow with ease begins to fade. It's like watching a once clear river turn into a sluggish stream, choked by weeds and stones. The body begins to whisper warnings. Your legs feel heavy, you tire too quickly, you forget things you once remembered so easily, you wake in the night short of breath or weighed down by pain. And yet, many seniors hear these warnings and are told, this is just part of aging. But I am here to tell you with strength and certainty, that is not the truth. The truth is this: your arteries can heal, your circulation can be restored, your vitality can return. You are not too old, you are not too late. What you need is the right knowledge, the right natural tools, and the courage to believe that change is possible. And today I will reveal the exact drink, simple, natural, inexpensive, that science has shown can sweep away toxins, dissolve inflammation, strengthen your blood vessels, and breathe new life into your body. But before I unveil this powerful solution, let me share with you the story of Carmen, a grandmother of 72 from Phoenix. Her words touched me deeply. She wrote, "James, I thought my life was over. I couldn't even walk from the living room to the kitchen without gasping for air. My doctor told me that my arteries were 70% blocked. I lived in fear of collapsing. Surgery terrified me. Pills drained me. My days were dark. But then I tried your advice. I began with a natural circulation drink. Within 3 weeks, I noticed changes. My legs felt lighter, my swelling reduced, my breathing steadied. For the first time in years, I was able to play in the yard with my grandchildren." Carmen's story is powerful not because it is rare, but because it is repeated across the world. Seniors everywhere are regaining health not through expensive medications, but through the wisdom of natural remedies. And this is where I must reveal something crucial. The biggest mistake people make when fighting clogged arteries is believing cholesterol alone is the enemy. Doctors focus heavily on lowering cholesterol, prescribing pills that thin the blood or lower fat levels. But the real villain is not simply cholesterol, it is inflammation. Imagine this: your arteries are lined with a smooth inner surface, like polished glass, allowing blood to flow effortlessly. But when inflammation strikes, caused by processed foods, toxins, stress, dehydration, or lack of movement, that smooth surface cracks. Those cracks become sticky, and cholesterol clings to them. Calcium hardens them. Plaque builds layer upon layer. Pills may lower the cholesterol floating in your blood, but they don't repair the cracks. They don't heal the inflammation. That is why so many seniors spend years on medication without ever truly feeling better. And here lies the conflict that many are afraid to talk about. The pharmaceutical industry profits enormously from circulation problems. Statins, anticoagulants, beta blockers, they bring in billions every single year. But these drugs are designed for lifelong use, not for permanent healing. They are a crutch, not a cure. The truth that many seniors never hear is that nature has provided solutions, powerful, inexpensive, and safe. So let us turn to that wisdom now. The drink I am about to share works not by masking symptoms, but by addressing the root causes. Reducing inflammation, dissolving toxic buildup, strengthening vessel walls, and restoring elasticity. It is built from ingredients backed by science, not superstition. And here's the miracle: they cost less than 50 cents to prepare. No complicated supplements, no costly treatments, just simple ingredients you can use in your own home. The first ingredient is pomegranate juice. Research has shown that it reduces arterial plaque by up to 30% within a year. Its antioxidants sweep toxins away like a broom clearing a path, while its compounds restore elasticity to stiff vessels. The second is beetroot juice. Rich in natural nitrates, it relaxes blood vessels, improves oxygen delivery, and lowers blood pressure within hours. Imagine your arteries widening, your blood flowing freely, your heart working with ease. The third is ginger tea. For centuries, ginger has been known to thin blood naturally, reduce cholesterol oxidation, and calm inflammation. A cup of ginger tea a day can ease swelling, boost circulation, and improve digestion all at once. The fourth is turmeric milk. Turmeric's active compound curcumin is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents known to science. It works at the cellular level, healing the cracks inside arteries, reducing plaque buildup, and protecting against heart disease. The fifth is green tea. Packed with catechins, it prevents bad cholesterol from sticking to artery walls, boosts metabolism, sharpens memory, and strengthens overall heart health. These 5 simple drinks, pomegranate, beetroot, ginger, turmeric, and green tea, are more than beverages. They are medicine. They are gifts. They are proof that healing can be natural, affordable, and effective. And when taken consistently, they can begin transforming your arteries in just days. My dear friends, pause for a moment and imagine the life you could live if your arteries were clean, your blood flowed freely, your legs felt strong, and your energy returned. Imagine the freedom of walking without fear, sleeping without pain, waking without exhaustion. This is not just a dream. This can be your reality. Now that you understand the powerful science behind these natural drinks, let us go deeper. Because true healing is not about drinking a remedy once. It is about creating a daily practice, a lifestyle that supports your heart and circulatory system every single day. When you begin adding these drinks to your life, think of them not as chores, but as rituals of self-love. Each glass of pomegranate juice is a promise to your heart. Each sip of beetroot juice is a gift to your blood vessels. Each warm cup of ginger tea is comfort to your body. Each golden glass of turmeric milk is healing to your cells. Each refreshing cup of green tea is strength for your brain and your circulation. But let us be honest. Seniors often tell me, "James, it's too late for me. I've lived too long with this problem. My arteries are too far gone." And to that I say this: it is never too late to improve. Even small improvements in circulation can make the difference between a life of struggle and a life of vitality. Research shows that seniors in their 70s and 80s can still reverse plaque buildup and improve artery health with consistent changes. Age is not your enemy. Inaction is. Think again of Carmen, who at 72 thought her life was over but found new strength. Or Harold, an 81-year-old from Ohio who wrote to me, "I was skeptical, but after 6 weeks of using your drink recipes, my blood pressure normalized, my swelling disappeared, and for the first time in a decade, I felt like myself again." These stories are not miracles. They are the body responding to care, responding to love, responding to nature. And here's the part most people forget. Circulation is life. When your blood flows freely, your entire body transforms. Your brain thinks sharper, your memory improves, your energy rises, your muscles strengthen, your skin glows, even your mood lifts. That is why addressing blocked arteries is not just about preventing heart attacks or strokes, it is about reclaiming the joy of living. So let us return to the science for a moment. Studies have proven again and again the benefits of these drinks. Pomegranate juice reduces arterial plaque and improves cholesterol balance. Beetroot juice lowers blood pressure and boosts stamina. Ginger reduces triglycerides and fights inflammation. Turmeric heals endothelial damage and lowers the risk of heart disease. Green tea lowers LDL cholesterol and supports longevity. Combined, they form a shield for your arteries, a natural defense that no pill alone can provide. But here's my advice: don't try to do everything at once. Start small, begin with 1 drink today, then add another tomorrow. Build a routine that fits your life. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Within weeks, you will feel lighter, clearer, and more alive. Now let me speak from the heart. Many of you watching this may have carried the weight of fear of disease, fear of losing independence, fear of becoming a burden. I want you to release that fear, because the truth is, you are not powerless. You are not too old to heal. You are not destined to decline. You have within you the power to restore your health, to extend your years, and to live with joy. This is the moment where change begins. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. And I want you to commit, not just for yourself, but for the people who love you, for your children who want more time with you, for your grandchildren who need your wisdom, for yourself, because you deserve to live fully. So here's my challenge to you. Prepare one of these drinks today. Take that first sip and know that you are choosing life, choosing hope, choosing strength. Then come back here and share your story. Tell us in the comments which drink you tried, how you felt, and what changes you are experiencing. Your words may inspire another senior to take that first step. And now, my dear friends, let me close with a call from the heart. If you are new to this channel, and if you found value in what I have shared, then you must subscribe to the Seniors Hub. This is more than a channel. It is a community of strength, wisdom, and hope. And if you like this video, please leave us a good comment below. Tell us your thoughts, your journey, your commitment. Together, we are building a movement of seniors who refuse to accept decline as their destiny. Remember, your age is not your limit. Your body is not your enemy. And your future is still waiting to be lived. Say goodbye to blocked arteries. Say hello to freedom, vitality, and years of joy yet to come. The choice is yours. Take it today.